Hey there YouTube. So today I got an unboxing video for you. It's going to be pretty cool. Got something in the mail here and think you're going to like it. If you're interested in working out and running at all, I just ordered some new Nike custom-made running shoes and I thought you guys might want to check it out. So this is the Nike by You, and these are the Pegasus 39 custom-made Nikes, and it came in a pretty cool looking box, all white. And the label does say Nike by me, that's Byron, 11.5, made in China, so you know it's quality. And just thought it'd be fun to do a little unboxing of these guys, and who knows, maybe I'll take them for a test run and let you guys see that. So let's go ahead and open up the box here, see what comes in the package. Oh, that's cool. So first of all, this is actually pretty neat. The box opens up top here. You know, normally the boxes fold open. Not this one. This one slides open. Just like that, guys. And it's all white Nike custom paper. So let's go ahead and take these out, take a look. I did get the Fly Ease version, so check those out, guys. That's badass. Custom Nike build. I did all black, so it's got the black soles. It's got the black top and sides, and I just wanted to keep it simple, so I did a nice lime green fade. Got the lime green swoosh, lime green laces, and lime green inside with a black sole to match mine. But one of the really cool parts, guys, is this label. Try to get a close-up on this so you can see it. You are able to customize your own label, and one of my nicknames in the past has been Big Daddy, so I went with Big Daddy. I like the sound of it, and I thought it'd be pretty cool to have it on my own pair of Nikes. So yeah, wow guys, I'm really impressed with these. These are badass. One of the good things about the Fly Ease line is how it opens up. So you can see with the laces, there's no tying these up. You got a little strap here, and boom, just like that. Opens up, you slide your feet in, and then boom, closed, ready to run. So yeah guys, this is pretty sweet. I'm really digging these. I was actually unaware until recently that you could customize your own shoes on Nike's website. So if this is something you're interested in, I do believe there's other versions that you can customize. I don't think it's just the Fly Ease. Just go to Nike's website and click custom and see what you guys can do with it. You know, I was pretty happy with this. I enjoyed making them. They shipped relatively quickly. I think I ordered them maybe 2 to 3 weeks ago, and in that time they made them, shipped them, and they arrived at my door. So I'm pretty excited to try these out, guys. I can't wait. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Always cool to do an unboxing. Let's get the other one out. There we go. Just so we can hold them both up. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, I think I'll put these on, maybe do a little video, see how they feel, make sure everything feels good, looks good. And hopefully we can do some running this year. I do live in Michigan, so it's kind of snowy out right now, but I preemptively ordered these for the nice weather, so hopefully when the weather gets nice, we can take these out, do some running, and see what they're all about. I hear good things about the Pegasus 39. I do know they're getting ready to drop the Pegasus 40, and who knows, if I like these guys, I might just buy the Pegasus 40 and give those a shot. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.